How to create Funnelish account. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video has helped you out, please let me know in the comments or simply just leave a like so I actually know that this video has helped you out. So let's just get started right away. And I have left a link in the description, which will bring you right over to this page where you can immediately sign in or sign up, or here you can actually see start your free 14-day trial as well. So I'm just simply going to click on there because this is the way to create your account. So here you can see start your free trial now. So we can continue with Google or Facebook, as well as just do the regular old school account creation. So that's what I'm going to do real quick. I'm going to fill in my name and then the email address as well. So just like that. And here we have to choose our password. So I'm going to fill something in as well. And now I've pretty much filled these important things in. And before we can actually get started, we have to check this checkbox over here. So here you can see on, here we can click on Get Started. And here we can see Welcome to Funnelish. Thank you for choosing Funnelish. Make sure to join our Facebook group, blah, blah, blah. And here we have to verify our email. So this is what the email will look like. So here you can see, click the link below to verify your account. Simply click on there. And there we go. We have now created our account. I'm going to close these out. And here we can see create your first funnel or choose a plan. Yeah, here we can see the get started. So we can use a template, blank funnel, redesign existing funnel. Here we can see all of these funnels. You can see your dashboard over here, which is just a quick overview of your analytics pretty much. But here you can also see your analytics in detail. So here you can see pretty much everything in detail per day and everything. Here we can also have automations. We can see all of the customers, the orders, and all of the funnels which you have created. So that is pretty much it. That is how to create Funnelish account.